Hello everyone. This is the picture of a beautiful girl eating biscuit, and we all eat with our teeth. Birds have beaks according to the food they eat. Children, which bird did you see eating food? Crow. Yes, we all have seen crows eating food. They eat anything what they found, maybe a bread, rice, whatever is there in the surrounding, they eat. This is a parrot. The parrot has a curved beak in front so that it can eat nuts and crush seeds. It eats fruits and vegetables. This is an eagle. It eats other animals such as snakes, rabbits, etc. It has beak that can tear and eat meat. Coppersmith. Coppersmith has pointed beak so that it can make hole in wood and eat the insects. Hummingbird. Hummingbird have little long beak so that it can suck nectar from the flower. Nectar is the juice produced by the flower. So the bird take this nectar as their food. This is a crane. Sometimes you can find it on the ground eating insects and also in the shallow water eating fish. Children, birds are the gift of God. Sometimes we find them around our houses. We should give them food and show our love and not kill them. Thank you.